Let's get our caffeine kick with Starbucks. I'm Jill Malandrino with Options, Profits, and Real Money.
And I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com.
Kind of excited about this one because as momentum traders over here at T3, that's what we look for. We want 52-week highs that lead to more 52-week highs, and this is exactly where Starbucks is at.
Yeah, Starbucks has been a great vehicle for investors, and it's also a nice vehicle for traders for cash flow every now and then. And one of the best trades out there is that momentum trade through 52-week highs. So if you look at the chart here, you will see that it's had a nice move, nice and methodical all the way up, and now it's going sideways. It's holding above the 50-day. You know, you have the 10 and 20 right here. For me, I'll keep it on the radar. If this thing could start getting above this 49 and change and the market continues to hang in there, I do think we get that sexy trade, and that sexy momentum trade is, above that 49 and change for new highs.
Right, and what we'll be looking at with the options profits trade with Mark Sebastian of Option Pit, we're actually going to go out and just buy straight calls here. We're not going to do a spread, take a little bit more of a shooter trade on this one, and make that directional bet that this stock is going to continue to make that move.
Oh, I like that, a shooter trade.
Shooter trade.
Well, here's another thing that's maybe not a straight shot, but something that is longer term. Now, I just want to throw, because we talked about Starbucks, which is my afternoon caffeinated thing. In the morning, I go to Dunkin' Donuts, and Dunkin' Donuts is a new issue. It's been out for like 8 months, and we were I think had a session when it went public, and I talked about the art of trading the first few days of an IPO.
Yep.
And then you also have an investment mentality. So if you look at the chart here of Dunkin', DNKN, you will see that I think that this stock has a big future moving forward. It came public last July. You had a few days of trading. It's now consolidated, meaning institutions have been accumulating and guys in the deal are out of the way. If it gets above 30, I think traders are going to trade it for a move to get back to the IPO price. But I think if you're an investor, you buy Dunkin' Donuts and you throw this in the drawer as an investor. You're allowed to be an investor. There are lots of ways to make money, traders, investors, macro investors. I think that within, you want to go out 2 years, you have a $50 stock.
All right, let's see if these names get any jolt today. Don't forget, every single day on Options, Profits, Real Money, and T3Live.com, Scott reps up the charts for us.